Welcome back everybody. So guys, we've learned about a lot of things. So right now I'm just gonna teach you about the background. Okay, about the backgrounds of the elements, and in last I'll just guide you about the background of the body. It means the whole page. So by the way, first of all, I'm just creating the div, a simple div, and then I'm not doing anything, just directly creating the ID. I can use the class too, but here I'm just making the ID of the div1 and going there, div1, and first of all the width I'm putting around 200 pixels, and the height around 200 pixels again. The height and width has done. Now the background color. Okay, we know about the property of the background color already. If I just put the red color and go to the browser and refresh, so this is the thing we've created, looking pretty awesome. Okay, so what more I'm just gonna do is save and just remove this thing, the color, and save and refresh. It's still giving me the result. That means we can put the only the background, or we can type the background hyphen color. Just why? Because the background is a short form of the complete background color. By the way, we just don't need to put the color only. We can put the image, or we can put the other properties like the background repeat, like the background attachment, etc. So this is the way to put the background color. But if you have the image, so you just simply need to type the background image, or instead of typing the image, just make it the background, and instead of the color, the red, just put the image name. But something more, I just want to clear you that the preferred way to put the image is the web format, like the GIF, GIF, the PNG, and the JPG. Okay, well, the most preferred is the PNG and the GIF. So guys, do we have the image? Yeah, we have the image, which is in the HTML folder, and the my home is in image, so I'm just using the image. So how to apply the image? Through the CSS, just simply type my home. Sorry, not in this way. Just type the URL. Here I'm not adding the src, I'm adding the URL, and inside the URL just mention the image name or the directory myhome.jpg, and save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see the image is there. Okay, instead of the red color, the image has overlapped the color, so I'm removing the color and refresh. Now it's the image. I can remove the background, the image text, and it's the image. That means it's working pretty awesome. But there is a little problem, as I see. If I just go to the HTML and if I just open the home, then you can see that this is too big project with the gates, and you can see that they're the right area, but here we're just only watching the top left area of the image. However, the full image is looking like this. Just why? Because we did not fix the height and width of the image, of the background image, basically the background size, which is the HTML5's property. I'm just gonna guide you about the HTML5's property, the background size, when we learn about the CSS3, but right now I'm just using because this is really necessary. So the background size, I'm just putting the 100px, and the 100px means the height and the height and the width. Refresh. Now you can see that the image goes too small. That's why there we can see the four images actually. So I'm just going there, and 200 and the 200, because the actual height and width is 200. So refresh. Now we are just getting the complete image in the actual area. The background size is the HTML5's property, but I'm using this because this is really necessary for now. And there is something more. For example, if I just type here the 100 again and refresh now, okay, but the problem is that the image is repeating, so we can stop that by using the background repeat property. Background repeat. Just note down all these properties and try to apply on your project, and practice to make yourself better on the HTML and the CSS too. Well, right now, do you want to repeat the background? No, repeat. Means I just don't want to repeat the background. Go and refresh now. It's not repeating, however, the image is covering the whole area. go back to the notepad and just make it 3 or actually the 200 back. Refresh. Okay, pretty awesome. But it should be the 100, and instead of the no repeat, why not I just put the repeat X or the repeat Y. Okay, repeat Y. Refresh. It's only repeating in the Y axis. The Y means the vertically, the X axis means the horizontally. So repeat X means it's repeating in the horizontal way, not the vertical way. So both are important. I just teach you about both. So another background property is the background position, but before that, why not I just put the border 1 or 2 px solid and the red. Right now I'm applying the red one. Refresh. Now you can see why I just applied the border, because you know that the blank space is actually disturbing us to find out the div's height and width. So right now what I'm just adding, I'm adding the background position here. Background position. Okay, pretty awesome. So what is the background position? If I just refresh this, oh, okay, I understood that. I just mistakenly refreshed the page without putting the positions value. I'm just putting this center as the position. So refresh that back, and actually, oh, position, the background position, and refresh. Now you can see that our content is in the center with the perfect manner. If I just remove the repeat X to no repeat, again I'm just telling that please note down every value and every property of the CSS we're discussing. For example, in the background repeat, just write background repeat anywhere and put the values, all the values, the repeat X, repeat Y, and the no repeat. Okay, this is really necessary for you. Well, refresh that, and now you can see that this is on the very center of the project. But why not? It should be on the center top. It means this is the center position, and the center bottom, the center top. I'm just gonna show you this is the center. Just put the space in center top and refresh. Now it's in the center still, but on the top position. In the same way, just put the center bottom. I'm telling you again that note down all these properties. So this is the center button. Why not the left button right now, the left button? So refresh the left side. In the same way, the right button. And I hope you understood all these things about what I'm just doing. The right button, the right top, and in this way we can go anywhere in a box. I think that it's pretty easy to do. In fact, this is not my thinking. Exactly, the background, the CSS background module is pretty easy to understand. Really easy. So guys, in the next class we will meet and do a lot of more CSS things. Goodbye and stay tuned.